Hi there, this is Rachhya from Calilio, and in this quick video, I'll show you how to play, pause, and fast forward call recordings inside your Calilio Call Box. The call recording playback feature helps you revisit past calls for quality checks, training, or record keeping. You can control playback speed, pause anytime, and skip ahead with just one click. Here's how you can do it. First, click on a number. Then, choose the conversation that contains the call recording you want to review. Click on the encircled play and pause button to start or stop playback, like this. You can click on this ×1 button to fast forward your playback. You can choose the speed range as well. And that's it. You're now in full control of your call recordings. These controls let you manage your listening experience easily and save time. For more tutorials on managing calls and messages, check out our other videos. If you need any help, contact our support team via the live chat box available 24/7. Thanks for watching.